Hi, welcome to PyQt5 Story for You. My name is Darlinson Nkwaze. In this video, I'm going to show you how to plot a line chart with PyQtChart. Basically, something that looks like this. Okay, so without wasting time, let's dive into it. As usual, I have my boilerplate code here. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a vertical layout because I want the charts to be laid out vertically. Okay. Then I'm going to create a series, a line series this time. And what I'm going to do is give this series a name. Okay, so I'm going to say self.series.set name. Okay, and this will be graph of y equals x squared. Okay, uh now what I'm going to do is create a chart. Okay, so I'm going to say self.chart is equal to QtChart.Qchart. Okay, and I'm going to add the series to the chart. So I'm going to say self.chart.add series. Okay, and I'm going to say self.series. All right, and I'm going to give this I'm going to set I'm going to set the legend for this chart. So I'm going to say self.chart.legend. Okay, uh dot set visible. Now say this should be true. Okay, and what I'm going to do next is create a default axis. So I'm going to say self.chart dot um, create default axis. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is set the title text for the x-axis and the y-axis. So I'm going to say self.chart dot axis x. Okay, and I'm going to say set title text. Okay, and I'll say this should be x axis. Okay, and for the y axis, I'm going to copy this, paste it here, change this to y and this to y also. And what I'm going to do next is give this a title. So I'm going to say self dot chart dot um set title, and I want this to be simple line chart. Okay, and what I'm going to do next is give it an animation. So I'm going to say self dot chart dot um set animation options. Okay, and I'll say um QtChart dot QtChart dot um all animations. Okay, and what I'm going to do next is add this chart to a chart view. So I'm going to say self.chart view is equal to QtChart.Qchart view. Okay, and I'm going to say self.chart. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is uh make the lines smooth. So I'm going to say self.chart dot um set render hint. Okay, and I'm going to say Qt GUI dot Q painter dot anti aliasing. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is add this chart view to the vertical layout. Okay, so I'm going to say self dot chart view sorry, self dot vertical layout, self dot vertical layout dot add widget. Okay, then this will be self dot chart view. Okay, so let me save this and run it. What does it say? It says QtChart has no attribute set render hint. So this should be self.chart view. Okay, so if I save it now and run it, you can see the chart, but we haven't added anything to the axis yet. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this. Then you can also see the animation. Let me run it again. You can see the animation. Okay, that's smooth. So I'm going to cancel this and let's add something to the chart. Okay, so I'm going to come here and I'm going to create a list. Okay, let's call it my new list. Okay, and I want it to be a list of points. Okay, more like a list of tuples. Okay, so the first one will be 0 0. Okay, because we want it to be a graph of y against x squared. Okay, that's this. Okay, so we know that the square of 0 is 0, the square of 1 is 1, the square of 2 is 4, the square of 3 is 9, and the square of 4 is 16. Okay, so now we have our list. What I'm going to do next is iterate through the list. So I'm going to say for x, y in my new list. Okay, self dot series dot append QtChart dot Q point F, then x, y. Okay, so if I save this now and run it, you can see our graph. Okay, so that's basically how it works. Okay, if you enjoyed watching this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also hit notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.